In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 16th December 2021 and the day would be Thursday. Now in yesterday's video I said that Nifty is going to be consolidating and it's going to make a range bound movement, and you can see that's what it did. So if you go to yesterday's video, you will see that I said we can sell a call and put by straddle or strangle, and those who have done could make good profit. So that's what happened, but it consolidated with negative bias. It is continues to fall. Now the thing is that this was the gap. So from the closing, if I consider, this is the gap which has been filled now. So this is going to act as support, but there are some external news that may hit the market, that is Fed meeting. So tonight is the Fed meeting in US, and if Fed hikes the interest rates, then the market all over the world may fall. In that case, we may slide down on the downside, and then we can visit 16,800, 17,000 all over again if the news comes. But if it doesn't, it is positive, then from here we can bounce back also. So because of a major news coming in, the market can behave irrationally. So we have to trade with caution, those who are trading intraday, because stop loss on the both sides will be hit. But as per technical, you can see that this is in a consolidation, totally consolidation mode. And here is a support near 17,150. So that support may come into place if 17,200 is broken on the downside. Now tomorrow, what we can do immediately, by the night we will know, by the morning when the market opens, we will know what is the outcome of the Fed, and we can plan our strategies accordingly. But as for today's stats, it is a complete range bound market with no direction at all. Look at these three candles. These three candles, what we call a three black crow kind of thing. So this is a good support. So if it opens flat and breaks this level decisively, 17,200, in that case we can do a 20-point stop loss and short Nifty for the profit, and as it comes near 17,150, 120, we are going to trail our stop loss near cost and near profit to profit gradually. That's what we can do. But if it opens gap up, then we will not buy until and unless 17,320 is taken on the upside. Now if 17,250 is broken on the upside, we can buy few quantities, and above 17,320 we are going to add more quantities, and 17,450 is not going to be broken tomorrow immediately. As I said in yesterday's video, probably day before yesterday's video, that 17,450 is not going to be broken in this expiry. So, and if it opens gap down because of a big negative news, then it can continue to slide, and then we will watch the price action and we can trade accordingly. So tomorrow market is going to be an indecisive one. Now look at Bank Nifty. The entire day Bank Nifty traded within 1737 and 37,800, this range. And you can see that this was the range of consolidation. I said that Bank Nifty may consolidate within this level only, and that is what is happening. So unless Bank Nifty either breaks this or breaks this, we cannot find a decisive trend. It will be indecisive between this, but it is kind of a negative bias, so it may come down again near 36,200 level if negative news come, and if it breaks because of Fed meeting outcome, then we can see 35,600, 35,000 level may also come if it breaks that way. But I don't think that it is going to fall that much. It may come down near 36,200, and from there it may bounce back. And if the meeting is kind of a non-event, then it is going to take out this level sooner or later. So if you look at 15-minute chart, then you will see that as I said, that the entire day consolidated within a wide range. So tomorrow, if it opens anywhere flat within this candle, then it will come down to test these levels, 36,600, 36,500, all these levels. And if the outcome of the meeting is not that bad, then it will come down and go up in a 15-minute candle only. And then it may be, means it can make a big candle like this, and then it may be traded within the range. Tomorrow is also expiry, so this type of patterns can form tomorrow if it opens flat. Now if it opens gap down, it can continue to fall. We can watch price action to see it. And if it opens gap up, then it may come to fill the gap and then slowly and steadily be range bound. So I am seeing a range bound market tomorrow in Bank Nifty. The only way Bank Nifty can be trended tomorrow, if the Fed outcome is very negative, then it can fall and slide down. So we can also do a straddle tomorrow, if depending on what outcome comes. So tomorrow, if 36,800 level is broken and sustained, then we can buy for a target of 37,000 again. So that's what we can do tomorrow. It's either we are going to do a short straddle kind of thing in a range bound market, and if it cross 36,800 decisively, then we can also look for a buying opportunity. And if it opens gap down, then it kind of a slow and steadily it may come down. So we have to be prepared for all the scenarios tomorrow, depending on what outcome comes today. Now let's look at chart. The first stock is Sun Pharma. As you can see, that is quite a big candles it's forming, so it's very volatile. It fell. Look at the size of the candles. So, and today also it made a fairly big green candle, taking out these few candles in the process, so engulfed it. So tomorrow, if it crosses 780, then we can buy, keeping a 5-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the upside. The exact level will be provided on the Instagram tomorrow morning. Now you can check the link in the description to follow the Instagram, where you can find the exact levels tomorrow. The next stock is Amara Battery. It fell, then tried to give a pullback, then fell again, and now it has kind of made a high, and then it's falling down again. Now this candle low has already been taken out and closed, so chances are that it may come down, and if it has to continue the fall, then it has to break this low, so that may come. But tomorrow we are not going to target that much profit. So if it breaks 629, if it opens flat and comes down and starts trading below 629, we are going to sell, keeping 632 as a stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the downside. The next stock is ONGC. You can see that it also fell down, tried to get pullback. Now it's making a lower high, lower low formation, and lower high has been made, and now it's coming down. And if it starts coming down, then these levels of 140 may come. So we can sell below 143, keeping a 2-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. The next stock is IOC. Now from this level, it continuously fell, tried to give a pullback but fell again tried to give a pullback but drastically fell. Now this is a good support, this 115.70 level. This is a good support, and if this level is broken, then 112, 110, these levels may come. If it tomorrow, if it crosses 115.50, we can sell IOC, keeping a 1 to 1.5 rupees stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.